Take a video?
Yeah. Hey Gary, you want a high five?
High five.
Help me out, Roscoe. I only got one hand here. God damn it,
It's
this one
falling
sucks.
apart.
This one sucks. Trade me. Trade me, you have one. No, I can't do it with this. Help. Okay, I'm
Turn your hand
around.
around. Turn it the other way. Try
Oh, it's hot. Grab that. Grab that.
Not over my car.
It's over his car.
No, you better.
You gotta help me,
Over
bro.
his car.
Someone's gotta like staple this or something.
Dude,
I don't know what to
how
do.
is that even
I
gonna
have a
work?
stapler.
You stapler? Staple this
Staple
guy.
the
Wait, not with my
contracts.
hand though. Like, be careful with my hand.
That one is nice. That one's good.
This one's good. This is like a mitt. Dude, got my hand so far up this crunch wrap, they call me mitt. Why does he have a stapler?
I feel like that's not gonna work.
Is it gonna hold? I think it'll hold.
The
It might
staples
hold.
are gonna work.
I think it'll hold. These people are like, what the fuck?
Why is there a stapler in a crunch wrap?
It's almost holding. Oh, god damn
Good.
it.
One will explode immediately, and the other one will last a while.
Yeah, that one.
Do it!
This one's still edible. I don't know what to do with
Eat
this
it.
one.
Keep clapping. Where's the...
It's gonna fall. What do you want from me?
It's not exploding.
You gotta keep going.
Give up.
You gotta keep going.
I give up. Come on. Come on,
No
guys.
one's told you
What
to
is
stop
this?
yet.
What
That
is
one's still fine.
this? Alright, I'll fuck it up. Curse!
Alright,
Dude,
stop.
Crunch wrap. Thank you, Bryce. I appreciate it. That was $5 with the crunch wrap, guys.
No, I still got a drink out of it.
The crunch wrap clap. Dude, this one was. Oh, if you put your hand in the meat, it's so hot. Like, oh, it's so gross.